Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover emails in Gmail. So first you open the Gmail application. Once you open the mail, you will be at the inbox section. Now for you to recover the mails, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There, from these options, you need to go and click on trash at the end. In the trash section, you will have all the emails that you have deleted from your inbox. Now for you to recover this, you need to tap and hold it for a few seconds. With this, the mail will get selected. Now if you want to recover all the mails, you can just tap and hold it for a few seconds. With this, once all the mail has been selected, you tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. And there you need to tap on move to. Tap on the top option. From there you will have the option to move these mail to primary, social or promotion. I'm going to tap on primary, that is the inbox section. And there you can see all the deleted mails has been recovered and moved to the inbox. So if you go and check your inbox, there you can see all the mails have been recovered. So this is how you can recover mails in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.